Hey guys, if you want to get post QR code on Instagram, then here's how to do it. It's pretty simple. First, you just need to open the Instagram application. Then find the post that you want to get the QR code for. Like this one. So you just need to tap on this three dot button here at the top right corner. Simply tap on it, and from here you can just find the QR code here. Sometimes you can find the QR code here or in this side. For some post, if you tap on it, in some post you can find that QR code from here, but you can also find this QR code in this section. So you just need to tap on QR code, and here you can see it has just created a QR code of this for this code. So it is the, if you scan this QR code you will get that post, or you can just change the color of the QR code from here, or you can just save this QR code to your camera roll or gallery, but tap on this save to camera roll option here. So if you tap on done, then it will just disappear the QR code from your screen. So that's how you can just get the post QR code on your Instagram easily. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.